I gotta fix that.
時は止まった。時は動き出す。俺の勝ちだ。全く理屈に合わないんだ。俺の能力は5秒間だけ時を止められる。
Hello, this is my first episode of my Maker portfolio because obviously I'm not getting to MIT, but it's a way for me to showcase what I'm doing and hopefully use this to get somewhere. In today's episode, we will be going over Diego Brando's headgear from JoJo's Bizarre Adventure Still by Run, and I'll be going over the whole process of making this. Alright, so this is from after all the entree montage. This is for our letters. We got the D as shown before, the I, and then the O. So the O's should be accurate. I had to change up a little bit on the actual model. That's the bow. And that is the headgear set that is shown.
A few minutes later.
So this is just me just strip slicing everything. Everything is being printed in PETG and with a 0.6 hardened nozzle. And those are all the scale revisions I made on mine because I prefer a small display. That right there, that's my 3D printer, MVP1S. But here are the parts fully printed out. So these are the parts fully printed out. Part of it was printed out in transparent PETG, and the other was printed in black PETG. So I'm gonna go spray paint this, and hopefully see how it goes. So this is everything fully done spray painted. Those are the spray paints I've used. Rust-Oleum, please sponsor me. It's blue and metallic gold, and everything is fully spray painted. And I'm gonna go work on assembling this. And this is everything fully assembled. Obviously, this is it's a little messy for like my first full shot at it. I could reduce more of the layer lines if I brought down my layer height, but on this one I had 0.42 because I was trying to get it done faster to post this. And you see the letters there fully metallic, and everything is practically fully spray painted down. This model is completely free on my Maker build. The link will be in my description. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoy watching this video.